In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share my GitHub profile link. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to copy so you can confidently share your profile with recruiters, teammates, or anyone who wants to see your work. Start on your GitHub dashboard in a desktop browser. Look to the very top right of the page for your profile avatar, the small circular icon that represents your account. Give that icon a click to open the account menu. If you don't immediately see it, make sure you're on the GitHub site and that you're signed into your account. The avatar menu is always in that top right corner on desktop, so it's a quick visual anchor for navigating your account options. From the menu that appears, choose Profile. This takes you straight to your public profile page, the same page others will land on when they use your link. It typically shows your display name, bio, location if you've added one, your pinned repositories, a list of repositories you've created or contributed to, and your contribution activity graph. Think of this as your public developer portfolio on GitHub. Taking a moment to confirm you're on this page is helpful because it ensures the link you copy is the one that points directly to your profile, not to a specific repository or settings area. Now, look to the very top of your browser at the address bar. You'll see the full URL of your profile, which usually follows the format github.com/your username. Click once in the address bar to highlight the entire link, then copy it. On Windows, press Ctrl+C. On macOS, press Command+C. You can also right-click and choose Copy if you prefer. That URL is your shareable GitHub profile link. Paste it anywhere you need: your resume, a job application, a personal website, an email signature, or a chat message using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on macOS. A few quick tips to keep things polished. Because this link points to your public profile, only public information will be visible to others. Private repositories will remain private. If you want to make a strong first impression, review your profile details and pinned repositories so the highlights of your work are front and center. And when you paste the link, give it a quick click to confirm it opens your profile correctly from the recipient's perspective. That's it. Click your avatar, open your profile, and copy the URL from the address bar. Simple, accurate, and ready to share anywhere you want to showcase your work.